Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to POCO M7 Pro. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Now tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, allow in first pop-up, and allow all in the second one. Then whatever you want to in all the other ones. When you're ready, hit send at the bottom left corner of Google Pixel and receive right next to send at the bottom of POCO. Also on Google Pixel, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a couple just for example. Then hit send next to selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire, and hit Receive button. Whatever you decided, just wait, and when your transfer is done, close all visible ads. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!